following is a tornado tag handicap match. Making her way to the ring from the United States of America, the Destroyer.
Some would say the superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title.
They need to loosen up, have a little fun, heck, maybe even lose a match once in a while.
What? That is horrible advice. One of the top names in the entire women's division, and she plans on showing exactly why here tonight.
And their opponent from Baltimore, Maryland, Stacy Keibler.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form.
Determination in her eyes. She is more than ready for competition.
And from Boise, Idaho, Troy Wilson.
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh?
That's what they're doing right now, Corey.
Well, good. Let's see what they've got then.
She loves the reaction she receives from the WWE Universe, and I think she's going to take that energy into the match, too.
A 2-on-1 handicap match is underway. No rest for the superstar facing off against the numbers game.
If I had $1 million that could make any kind of match, it would be this. Two opponents at the same time, man.
And finds a counter.
Turnbuckle's the only thing keeping her upright.
Staved off that attack.
Finds a counter for Stacy. She adjusts it and reverses it. DDT. Cover. Kick out before the count.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it.
And what a burning lariat. Why? She had it right where she wanted her.
She doesn't want the suffering to end, that's why.
That's gonna hurt.
Running clothesline. I'd have to think that a no disqualification match favors the most heartless competitor in the ring.
Well, that's mostly true, but even the most rule-abiding superstars have risen to the occasion of a no disqualification match. When there are no rules, there's no wrong and right.
Leg trapped. Looking for the heel hook stretch.
Ooh, that's gonna hurt.
Intimidation or confidence from Stacy?
Saw that one coming, took advantage. Oh, my!
Stacy Keibler reminding the WWE Universe why she's her and they're, well, them.
Tandem offense on its way up, and...
Face buster.
She's enduring some damage. Up to the top rope now. And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
She starts to rise back up, but does she know where she is?
From the top, all the way to the outside.
Taken out from high above. You gotta be some special kind of crazy to do that.
Oh, yeah, she is really showing her confidence.
And now she delivers her back into the ring.
Shot after shot, then slip.
She covers for the pin. And she thwarts the pin attempt and one.
She just will not give up, Cole.
Ah, stop to the belly.
Into the corner. This can't be good.
Sends the knee into the face. That'll stop you. Sidewalk slam.
This is not going to end well.
Choke slam. Is that what it takes to beat Stacy? Shot to the gut will break things up.
Backslide driver.
Big time move coming up.
Corey, this is going to be nasty.
Feel like we're about to see a car crash.
Now that is the kind of move that wins matches. Shoulders down.
Ah, she kicked out.
That was more than close. That was inches away from 3
millimeters.
Sometimes when you unleash your best offense and it doesn't get the job done, you're taken out of your game. That's a real possibility now in this match. Absolutely no telling what's underneath the...
Stacy about to end this fight.
Makes the cover. Oh, kick out. Oh, my God.
How? Kicking out at 1 after that is unheard of.
And now it's reload time. Time to find another moment to pull off that one more time. Ah, floating breadbasket.
We are seeing a next-level performance from these competitors tonight.
They've shown a lot of resiliency. You have to... From way up. Quite an effective counter.
They'll have no fury like a woman with a foreign object in hand.
This is not going to end well.
Choke slam.
Thunderous. She's sewn this up like Betsy Ross.
Choke slam.
Great counter. Impressive ring IQ on display there.
And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength.
Mounting a downed opponent, and look at them go. Over and over and over again. And a slap for the exclamation point.
Oh, I hope they back up. They're getting too close for comfort.
Oh, no one's paying attention to you, Saxton. They're too busy beating the tar out of each other.
Boom! Did you hear the impact?
Earth-shaking power slam.
She flips it back on her.
Driven down with a sidewalk slam.
Here it comes. Looking for choke slam. This one is all but over.
Up to the body with the chair.
Oh, man, they do not care who or what they destroy.
Yeah, Byron, you are dangerously close to being collateral damage in this one.
It's been a hardship for these superstars to get to this point. I think these fans are driving them to claw that extra inch.
You can sense the ride these fans have been on, and I'm right there with them.
Coming back into the ring, back to the action.
Coming in hot.
Will it be?
Gets the
take a look back at some of the great action.
Here are your winners, Torrie Wilson and Stacy Keibler.
I don't know who this superstar is upset, but they're facing incredible odds tonight.
Such a difficult situation to prepare for, Mike.
A 2-on-1 handicap match is underway. No rest for the superstar facing off against the numbers game.
If I had $1 million and could make any kind of match, it would be this. Two opponents at the same time, man. Intimidation or confidence from Stacy?
Made her pay for her mistake.
She's in her clutches. Spiked.
Counter! And now there's an opening.
Looking for more damage here.
Release back suplex.
It might not be flashy, but sometimes you just gotta toss another person and make a statement. Turned it into an arm drag.
Running clothesline. A handicap match can bring a host of challenges to the combatants. Corey, what is the thought process when competing in a match like this?
Well, the numbers are in your favor. It's important to have whoever is on the apron cause distraction. Remind the person who's outnumbered just how high the hill is that they have to climb.
And fiery lariat.
Big boot!
Incredible. Landing hard off the back suplex.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Back and forth from these competitors.
Ooh, she hit the corner hard. Boom on the jaw.
Now trampling the opposition.
Oh dear, this doesn't look good. Ouch! That's one way to get your opponent out of the corner.
And a slap, too.
Plenty of hits coming her way now. Headed to the top rope.
From the heavens.
Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off.
I don't care how much matting you put on the floor, you are feeling the cement after that miss.
She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
She's surely revving up, but she better put the rubber on the road already. Able to reverse. Finds a counter for Stacy.
Knee right to the gut. Evading offense.
Up into the...
All the way down. Falling powerbomb. Here it comes. Looking for... Chokeslam. Thunderous.
Is that what it takes to beat Stacy?
What's she waiting for? She's looking more focused on gesturing rather than winning. She needs to stop saying she's going to bring it and actually deliver on the promise. And back into the ring she goes. Why is she still boasting around? She's in a fight, for goodness sake.
Pure chaos. Carnage and scraps of table everywhere.
Taking the brutality of this match to a new level.
Beautiful swinging neck breaker.
Knee right to the gut. Oh, that knee will take the wind right out of you.
Military press.
She's lost some of that energy she had earlier.
It's impressive to have some stamina left.
Can she do it here? She still fights out in one.
That's smart. Taking the one to catch your breath.
She saw that one coming. Punishing power slam.
She manages to get control.
Sidewalk slam.
Setting foot in the ring now.
Weaseled up. This is not going to end well.
Choke slam.
She's finished. Planet with a face buster.
Cover! Two! Oh, and a kick out! How in the world?
Both competitors digging into wells they didn't even know existed.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
These competitors have been going deep into their arsenal all match, but have not found a way to... Oh, here it comes! Oh, the DDT! But can they turn that into a win? And the cover!
Kick out.
She just won't stay down. Dodges.
Slam. She's going under the ring now.
Intimidation or confidence from Stacy?
Looking worse for wear in the corner now. She goes back inside the ropes. She keeps delivering shots to the torso. Oh, no, 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 no. Not from up there.
Into the choke slam.
And she is doing whatever she wants right now. She's got the shoulders down. Oh, somehow managed to keep this match going.
I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
I don't either. Can this ref even count the three?
Answering back.
This is not going to end well.
Thunderous. One more time, throwing the heavy artillery.
She re-enters the ring now. Running clothesline. Sharp chop.
Caught with a clothesline.
Mounting. And hammering away.
She saw it coming. Knee right to the gut.
This place is come unglued.
Rightfully so. Telling her opponent that she has even more left in her tank.
Places her right in the corner.
Evades the attack. Taking the easy way.
You can't take much more of this.
There is no way this can go on for much longer.
She heads into the ring.
A roundhouse.
Stacy about to end this fight.
Cover. I'm shocked that she kicked out. You and I both, Byron.
That is firing your biggest shot, but leaving your prey left standing. Time to reload. She had scouted. Taking it to the floor. What's she gonna do?
Here it comes. Looking for shock slam.
Wait, is she? Yep, looking for the submission.
Abdominal stretch. It's locked in. A win via submission. I don't know who the superstar is upset with facing incredible odds tonight.
Such a difficult situation to prepare for, Michael. Let's see if they stand their ground and try to match their attacks or tire the other side out by picking their spots.
What a lariat!
Uh-oh. Able to elude it.
Oh, double boots.
Double DDT. Tandem offense in effect. A good team knows how to truly work as one.
A 2-on-1 handicap match is underway. No rest for the superstar facing off against the numbers game.
If I had $1 million and could make any kind of match, it would be this. Two opponents at the same time, man. Intimidation or confidence from Stacy?
A sit-out mat slam. What impact?
Oh, man.
Ooh, she responds with a counter. Turned that one around.
Intimidation or confidence from Stacy?
Oh, my gosh!
Is it possible that the side with the numbers game in a handicap match could have a disadvantage?
Absolutely. The handicap's usually there for a reason, and that's because the other side has certain advantages. It's important to remember your strengths and play to them.
Choke slam!
Knee right to the gut. She's taking some big hits here.
Handicap matches are all about strategy, and right now, her strategy simply isn't the effective one. But that can always change.
You have to be in peak physical condition to pull off a move with that much weight behind it.
Just not enough damage done yet, Cole.
Momentum's breaking away from her.
And you know now she must rethink her strategy.
Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring.
Oh, looks like it's time for a little demolition.
And we just saw some serious offense. And no countouts means she has the whole outside to play with. Taking it outside the ring now.
All the way down, falling powerbomb. I felt the vibration of that one from all the way over here. Sidewalk slam. Here it comes. Looking for the choke slam. This one is all over.
And an overbearing amount of offense against Stacy here.
This is where Keibler will be tested.
Backbreaker. Military press. Ooh. Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything.
She's getting herself in the zone, but she shouldn't hesitate much longer. Must have forgot what kind of match was going on for a moment. These superstars are showing no concern for their own well-being. All that matters to them right now is doing as much damage to one another as possible.
I can already feel the sting of the kendo stick, and I do not care for it.
And she's in total control.
Yeah, she continues to maintain the leverage here.
She's taking things to ringside. Laying out with a power slam.
This is a pretty dangerous place to fight. Oh, look at the start of this. Could be going into the playbook for submission.
Well, this won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
It's a roundabout strategy, but it might work.
Perhaps thinking something else here.
Not sure why, though, Michael. She seemed to have it really cinched in.
And that was offense with a powerful purpose.
This arena can't contain them, and if history's any indication, nothing good's about to happen up there either.
Here it comes. Looking for choke slam.
Thunderous.
Is that what it takes to beat Stacy? And what a burning lariat.
Intensity and anger boiling over, all coming to a head up on the stage.
As we can only see, it's only getting worse by the second, Michael. Big time power slam. There are a lot of ways this can go sideways. Everything on that stage looks like it hurts.
Stacy put a stop to that. Oh, God. Big boot.
Incredible.
And Stacy is failing to offer any resistance here.
This is where Keibler will be tested.
And I think we all know nothing good comes of fighting on the stage.
Case in point, nothing good happening right now.
Whiplash, neckbreaker. This is not the time to be diverting attention away from your opponent.
Jawbreaker.
You can pick up your teeth in the third row. This fight has made its way to the entranceway.
Oh, man, so many things can go wrong now.
Eats a punch to the...
Here it comes. Looking for...
Into the ring now. Saw it coming and reversed into the arm drag. These two showing how well scouted they each are. And here we go. The Boston Crab. Look at the back position. Oh, gonna tap out here, but it ain't gonna matter.
They still do a lot of damage, though.
And it looked...
Trying to fight out, man. Incredible leg strength.
As a couple of Hall of Famers once said, it's time to get the tables.
That'll turn your lights out. And the possibility for serious injury just went way up.
These superstars are starting to get very imaginative right now. You have to think someone's looking at that stage and getting some dark thoughts.
What a counter.
She's in the ring now.
Hard landing. Plenty of ways to get creative. Up on the entrance area.
Also plenty of ways to get yourself seriously hurt.
Knee right to the gut. These superstars have endured so much punishment.
Certainly looking worse for wear, but the tide can shift at any moment.
Sidewalk slam.
She's firing up, no doubt about it.
Wants her set up in the corner. Oh, no, 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 no. No way.
Yes way.
Choke slam. Nobody hits that one better.
Shoulders down.
A competitor has been eliminated.
Get the tables. She's setting it up. Ooh, she just turned it around.
These two trading counters, an absolute masterclass. These superstars have toiled away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation.
An incredible sight to see.
The suspense this crowd is feeling is palpable.
They are waiting with bated breath for what's to come next. Gravy! Devastating impact through the table.
These are up. This is not going to end well.
Choke slam!
Thunderous. The big gun fired yet again.
Here it is. Vintage.
Stone pile driver!
This ends now.
Eliminated! He's the last superstar standing.
These ladies put on quite a show. Here's another gander.
Here is your winner, the Destroyer.
And what an uphill battle it was to outlast every other superstar in this match.
Yeah, what a match. I can only imagine how they must feel right now. Yeah, a certain amount of pride has to come with surviving elimination matches.